Hello. Today, we're diving into a review of Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, commonly known as TSMC, traded under the ticker symbol TSM. We'll explore its advantages, disadvantages, and conclude with a final rating. Before we begin, please note that the information provided is for informational purposes only. Always verify details directly with the company for the most current information. This is not financial advice. Consult official sources and financial advisors before making investment decisions. Information shared here may be outdated or inaccurate and reflects personal opinions only. First, let's discuss the advantages. TSMC has reported a significant 58% increase in fourth-quarter profit, driven by strong demand for AI chips. The company, which supplies major clients like Apple and Nvidia, has benefited from the megatrend towards AI. Additionally, TSMC's revenue for 2024 surged by 34%, reaching 2.89 trillion Taiwan dollars, reflecting its robust financial performance. The company's strategic investments, including spending billions on new factories overseas, such as the $65 billion investment in 3 plants in Arizona, demonstrate its commitment to expanding production capacity and maintaining technological leadership. Now, let's examine the disadvantages. TSMC faces headwinds from U.S. government technology restrictions on China, which could impact its operations and market access. Additionally, there is uncertainty about President-elect Donald Trump's incoming administration, which has threatened broad import tariffs that could affect TSMC's business. Despite the company's strong financial performance, these geopolitical factors introduce elements of risk that investors should consider. In conclusion, TSMC has demonstrated impressive growth and strategic expansion, solidifying its position as a leader in the semiconductor industry. However, geopolitical challenges and potential policy changes present risks that warrant caution. Considering these factors, I would rate TSMC at 8 out of 10. Remember, this is a personal opinion. Always conduct thorough research and consult with financial advisors before making investment decisions.